If you're doing the same task more than twice, automation should be doing it, not you. At LMNT, we automate the repetitive stuff: tasks, handoffs, reminders, notifications, follow-ups, tagging, everything. It saves hours, it reduces errors, and it gives you actual freedom to focus on high-value work. Let LMNT automate the things you shouldn't be doing manually. Go to lxxcnxtx.com and see for yourself.